Magandang hapon po ng Monday, September 22, 2025. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Monday, September 22, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng September 22, 2025 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 5 p.m. draw ng 3D Lotto. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Monday, September 22, 2025. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Mega Lotto 645 for September 22, 2025 Monday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Monday, September 22, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.